Let me talk about you said.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, let's proceed.
I think you should remove the town name from brackets. Select distinct town name without the bracket.
Like this.
Yes, space. No, that one should remain. Let's see. No, this one should remain. The one in front of count should remain. You have to place the space between count.
Should I run this?
Yes. So, okay. I think you should use group by. Can you select town name? Then then group by town name. Then
Please come again.
select town name. No, that one should still remain. Press Ctrl Z.
Okay.
Select town name from account.
Another line.
No, in front of select, just put town name. Then group by town name.
I think count is already missing.
Count should be in front of 16.
Huh? No.
Let's see. Okay, so this did it work? No, I don't think it did.
Employee.
Let me talk about, can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see it. I think this is not correct.
Yeah, so I think the distinct is bringing just one value because it's distinct.
Yeah.
So it's just returning one value per each town.
Yeah.
But I'm actually interested in this your distinct. I think I also want to play around it. So,
I
Feromi,
think it should.
Yes.
Counting each this thing.
go on, please. Go on.
I think this is the way these things should work because it's counting it individually, right?
Yeah.
Well, sure.
So she should,
Yes.
what did you say she should remove? I didn't hear that, please. Well, are you saying something?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Let me talk about you were saying something. Did you say she should remove something? I didn't hear that part.
No, I didn't say anything.
Okay. Feromi, I want us to play around this case. So please put distinct town name.
I should switch distinct and count.
No, just put distinct before the first town name. Then remove it from the second one. It's just a playful move, don't mind me. All right, let's see. So still almost, except that it's a waste of time to put. Let me talk about you're saying something.
said I think this is correct now.
Yeah, but the distinct is not doing anything because the group by is already taking that job. So it's a waste of time to add the distinct because it's almost synonymous to what is at the top if we remove that distinct. Do you get my drift?
Yeah. Can we remove the group by and see if it will also work?
Oh, okay, let's see.
Like this.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's giving error, Abby.
Yep.
Okay. Aggregating query without group by. Okay. So I think the best way is with the group by. All right, awesome. Okay, thank you everybody that tried. Who gave us the first query? That was we, Abby. Or was it Fire? Fermi,
Yes.
who solved the first query?
I don't know. It's only my SQL work
It wasn't me. It
through
was
my.
she.
But it's a
I
mail.
can't remember his name now.
Okay,
Yeah,
Fire,
it was
Abby.
Chibuzo, I think.
Oh, Chibuzo. Chibuzo. Okay, yeah. Chibuzo. Okay, that's true. Odogu. Well done. So let's move on, please. You're doing well. Keep up the good work. So the next question is saying, note how many of our workers are living in a smaller communities in the rural part of Maji Ndogo. So it's saying that the Presi or whatsoever congratulated the team for completing the survey, but we will not have this data. We would not have this data where it's not for our field workers. That English, I don't understand. So let's gather some data on their performance in this process so we can thank those who really put all the effort in. So the Presi has asked we send out an email or message congratulating the top 3 field surveyors. So let's use the database to get employee IDs and use those to get the names, email, and phone numbers of the 3 field surveyors that with the most location visits. So it says, let's first look at the number of record each employee collected. So find the correct table, figure out the function to use, and how to group, order, and limit the results. So only the top 3 employees ID with the highest number of location visited. So we are asked to check which group has the number of visits, and then we are supposed to aggregate based on employee ID. That is the employee ID. We are supposed to aggregate to count how many number of visits each of these employees have. And then we are to order it so that we can have it from descending order and we can know those who are the top 3 that has the highest number of visits. There's a lot embedded in this question. So I'll repeat that line again. So they want us to check the table that has the number of visits. So first of all, we need to know what table that is. So who is going to help us with the table? What table are we looking at?
I'm sorry, Michael. Is it the same question or is it a different question?
It's the same question. It's one question.
All right.
It's one question. That's question number 2, actually.
Okay, still 2.
No, well, it is 3 in this case, but by their own numbering. The first one was more or less like introduction. Then we have number 1, number 2. So we are in number 2. We're actually in number 3, but we've not solved it. So we're in number 3 of their own arrangement. So let's go. Who's going to help us? What table are we looking at? To see the number of visits, what table should we be looking at? Fortune, how far now?
Don't mind me, I do account for road. I don't carry my phone. This inside pockets.
Hey, sorry. May they not carry am, I beg. Ogechi, do you know what table we should be looking at? To see the number of visits, what table should we check? You can scan through our database, our schema. We have the data dictionary, we have employees, we have global water access, we have location, we have visits, we have water quality, we have water sources, we have well pollution. Yeah. So which of the table are we looking at for what we want to solve? Chibu,
For visits, that would be visits.
that would be
That
visit.
should have,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh, thank you. What's it called? Veronica, can you help us query the visit and see if that is the table we are considering? Do we have anything like assigned employee ID and number of visits?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Visit counts and assigned.
okay, we have visit counts. We have assigned number of visits. I'm not sure we need visit count, but let's see the question again. So we figured the table out. So it says, let's look at the number of record each employee collected, the number of record they collected. So I think we want to look at how many times the employee ID appeared, each employee ID appeared. So, so figure out what function to use and how to group, order, and limit the results. So we only see the top 3 employee IDs with the highest number of locations visited. So I think we are trying to do aggregation as much as we want to display the employee IDs. We're trying to order it, then we want to limit it to 3 results. So who is going to help us with the query? Who is that bold, gigantic person that's going to jump on this? Idris, Temitope, Chibuzor, Almighty. Let's go. Honorable, you have the floor.
Not be only Almighty. This guy. All right, select. Assigned employee ID. Count. Bracket opening. Visit count. From visits, group by assigned employee ID, limit 3. Hold on, sorry. Remove the limit. Before the limit should be ordered by. Visit count. Descending, that's DESC. All right, let's run. There's an error, yeah?
Yes, there is.
Hold on. Okay, change it to order by assigned employee ID. Let me see.
Try run it.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, let me tell you the employee ID that we have on our screen. We have 0, 1, 2.
Yes, I know. I think there's something wrong somewhere.
I don't know if that is correct. And then the count
Remove.
that came out here, we have 1099, we have 3708, then we have 2033. That's the one that came out, but I don't know.
Yeah, I think mine is wrong somewhere.
Hmm. Trying to brainstorm with you actually. Do you
You
allow me
said?
to brainstorm with you?
Huh?
Can I brainstorm with you?
Yes, please.
Okay, I think visit count is the number of time that a particular location is visited.
Okay.
So there are some visit counts that are more than one. So it's not 1. And secondly, I feel you are trying to count a particular assigned employee ID that went to
Yeah,
different locations. So you are trying to count how many locations a particular employee ID went to. So probably
went to, yeah.
your counts again.
Okay, we should change the column in the count function, yeah? Should we change the column?
I'm brainstorming with you. If you say we should change it, we'll definitely change it.
So if we're changing it, what are we changing it to?
I think we should change it to an assigned employee ID.
Assigned to, okay, then visit count will be outside, will be the first column, yeah? After the select
We
keyword.
don't even need visit counts in any way. We don't need it.
Okay.
We are trying to count. You know, you're already grouping, and then you're grouped by, you are grouping by assigned employee ID. So we want to know a particular employee ID, which is a particular number. How many times
Yeah.
did you repeat, did you occur? So that's why we are counting. We are grouping by. Then call it, let's use an aliasing for that count.
Yes, all right.
So let's do as, let's say, number of, what did they call it there? Number of visits. Let's do it that way.
Okay.
So you cannot do order by number of visits.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Should I run it?
Yes.
Yeah, try running it.
So
Is that correct?
it's still not the
It's
result
still
they
not
got.
correct.
It's not the same as the results they got, actually.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I think this should be the best way to learn. I'm not sure, but I think. If there's any other person that wants to try, let's hear from you.
Can we look at that table again? Visit, please. Sorry.
At all.
So, Michael, you said how many times an assigned employee ID visited a location bar?
Yes.
We have location, okay.
Hold on.
We have visit, we
1
have
minute.
visit count, we have location ID.
What's it called? What's the name? Follow me. Sorry.
Yes, please.
It was 1 minute. Please remove the order by
Alright.
first. Can you cut out that order by session first?
Okay.
Just cut it out first. Yeah. Now run the whole thing. Let's see.
I've commented it out. I should cut it out completely.
Yeah, what?
No, just run it.
So yeah, I think the
Oh,
query
okay.
was correct.
Yeah,
It
I
was
think
the order
yes.
that
Yeah,
changing it. So yeah, it's correct.
it's correct. Yeah, yeah.
Because they showed us that this is what you should get. It is only that the order is different. So I think that's the query.
But the question instructed that we should include the order by Abi.
Yes, we have to.
Order by.
That's how we can get the top 3 now.
Exactly.
So now include the order by so that we get the top 3. All right.
It didn't work.
All right. So now let's continue.
Sorry, can I say something?
Who is that? Go on, please.
Fairly.
Yeah.
Just to like chip in something. I
Okay.
think the query that the person that was I think is person that was trying to explain earlier, I think his query is also right. It'll give us the same result.
Okay.
It's just the aggregation that had an issue.
Okay.
Just to be clear, since it's number of rows that we are counting.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Let me copy again and write
Oh yeah,
the
Try it.
yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Okay.
so instead he did visit count, right? So this is what he did, Abby,
Yes.
if I'm right.
Yes.
So I think his error was he ordered by visit visit count.
Okay.
He was supposed to
Visit
order by
count. Okay.
the whole count, visit count, since you didn't alias it.
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, let
Oh,
me
okay. Yes, I get you.
Yes, yes.
this is what he
Yes.
did. Yes. So was supposed to order by this.
Okay.
So if it does
Mm.
get set.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the same.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Fermi.
Awesome.
Okay.
Okay, so let's move on. Thanks for that input. So it says, make a note of the top 3 assigned employee ID and use them to create a query. So we have to note those ID out and use it to create a query that looks up the employee's info. A query that looks up the employee's info. Since you are a pro at finding stuff in a database now, you can figure this out. You should have a column of names, emails, and phone number for our top dogs. So they want us to get the column name, email addresses, and phone number for the top 3. So how do we go about this? In another table. Tibuzo, let's see if someone else wants to try. You're doing well. Anybody else? How far now?
I think we are going into the deep now, and I'm really not ready for this one. This part here.
Why
But
now?
I'll catch up.
Okay, awesome. Fire, what's up? Hello? Polly,
Hello.
you've not said anything since morning though. This could be a good time. Fire, how far? Do you want to try it?
No, thank you.
Okay. Pauline, how far now? Are you there? Temitope? Ah, people quiet now. Oyinda, what's up? Okay, then let's let Chibuzo have it. Chibuzo, let's go.
All right. Select. Um, names. Is that the name? Is that the name of that column? Names, right?
We can check.
Name. Okay, Fermi, can we check it, please? Thank you.
Sure. Can you see it?
Yes, I can. Um, okay. Okay, select
Okay.
employee name, email, mm, phone number, from okay, sorry. Another column, another comma rather, then include assigned employee ID
Don't tell me that.
from employee, comma, visits, where assigned employee ID in bracket open. Can we get those employee ID from the previous table, the one we saw before this? 130 and 34.
Okay.
This might not run. Try it first. Let me see. Okay, I was expecting to be an error. Michael, can you help?
Is there anybody else in the house that would like to?
Can I? Okay.
Anybody else, you can spot where the error is and you want to correct it.
Can I
Sure, please.
say? Okay. So I think the issue was just you adding the visits. except you were trying to join the tutorials.
So I think that is it.
Can you hear me?
I think he's on a call.
Okay. Except he was trying to join the two tables, but if not, I think this works.
Yeah, this works. How?
Or does he want to join?
Kibuz, are you there? Can you copy this query to another line?
Okay.
I just want to do a little everything. The way Pauline likes to run it. Let's do subquery. So instead of in that make the bracket, enter into another line.
Like this.
Yes, go down. Now, so copy what we have from the first, that last one we did. That gave us
Yes.
no, the one that gave us
This one.
our aggregation. No. Our aggregation.
This
Yeah.
one.
The aggregation. This no. Yeah, that one. Come down.
This one.
Yeah. Copy that one. Whichever one works. Copy. Come down. Paste it in. Now remove the count. What's it called? What's the name now?
What should I remove?
Hold on. I'm trying to play a game here. I don't want this count visits to appear, and then it's not possible.
You don't want what to appear?
The count visit.
This one or the second one?
The count itself. I don't want the count to appear.
You don't want to appear in the query at all or in the result?
In the results.
I don't think it will appear in the results.
It will.
Okay.
No, I mean in this subquery, it will. Before we know, because all I need is just the employee ID. I just want that employee ID to come up.
Should we try and run it and see?
Okay, let's run it. See what I'm saying? Because we have more.
No support.
If you run it on its own, you see that we have that two column. We have the counted column and then the assigned ID. So I just want the assigned
error is
just to replace, instead of encoding the 130 and 34. Are you with me?
Yes.
Instead of being the one writing the 130 and 34, I just wanted the the subquery to fill in that gap and then bring that value up. But don't worry, we already got our value. I remove it, please. Just a playful move. All right. So I think that solved it. So we have our information out for the top 3 guys. So he said, I will send this off to the press, blah, blah, blah. But this survey is not primarily about our employee. So let's get working on the main task. We'll start looking at some of the tables in the data set at a larger scale, identify some trends, summarize important data, and then draw insight. So now we're at the analysis point. We are seeing number 3, voila. So he said, looking at the location table, let's focus on province name, town name, and location type to understand where the water sources are in Maji and Dogo. So we want to know where the water sources are in Maji Ndogo. So it says create a query that counts the number of record per town. We are supposed to count where the water sources are in Maji Ndogo. So we want to count the water sources per town in Maji Ndogo. So who will help us with this query, please? Where the water sources are per town. Ganiat, you are welcome back. Oga Idris and Wuyi. You guys want to try this one? Fortunate, you've been quiet. What's going on?
I am observing.
Honorable observer.
Let's query the location table now.
Okay, so let's find the location table first. Let's go.
Yeah.
I love your vibe.
So-
We can start with that one.
Very
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So we have the town, we have province, we have address, we have the location ID. So each location has an ID. We have the location type also. So you want to proceed? Don't
The
mute.
question talks the, the question talks about water sources, right? You want to find the water sources.
Yes, yes. All the water sources in each town.
In each town.
Yes.
In
All the water sources in each town. I can hear you again. Okay, Chialfa now. You want to try? Where's Fire? Fire, what's up?